Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this cute little glow up. So this is a super glowy little everyday glow up makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna be showing you how I got this look. It's actually very quick and easy to do, so it's perfect for if you're going to school or work and you just need something very quick and easy to throw on your face to make you feel a little some type of way about yourself, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I am partnering up with Mercier on this video to show you guys some of my favorite products from the brand, including their tinted moisturizer. So we're not using foundation, we didn't even do false lashes either, and we did a nice little, I forgot what this is called, but like kind of like a freshly bitten lip look. Like almost like I just bit into a bowl of berries and my lips are stained. All right, guys, so let's get started in here. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started, huh? Let's get it started in here. T-Rex arms. All right, guys, let's glow up it up. But yeah, okay, whatever, that wasn't that funny. Anyway, so we're gonna start off with hydrating the skin no matter what kind of look. This is a super quick and easy step to really plump it up. So this is the Murad Hydration Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist. Whatever kind of look I'm doing, I actually really like to start with this because it just kind of like gets your skin going. And then while that sets, I'm gonna go in with my brow pencil. So this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I do different styles for different looks, but obviously for this particular look, since it's just a really like everyday, we're trying to get out the door fast kind of routine, I go with my fave pencil because I want more natural, like a more natural look for my brows. Had to open up a brand new box because I ran out of this one. I love this pencil though. Like I think I've gone through probably 6 or 7 units of this just because it's so good. And it's only $5, so it's, you know, not gonna break the bank. And we love that. So then I went in and cleaned up the line with some concealer. And I'm just blending that down. Then we're gonna move straight into our brow gel. Even on everyday, like again, I just feel like you should focus on products that are quick and easy to use, but will make your makeup last. So I just go straight in, boom, done, 1 minute. I just love the look of this brow pencil though. Like I feel like it looks so natural, but you're still getting a natural fullness. It doesn't look like crazy or anything. It's really nice. Okay, you know what guys? I honestly have had so much coffee today, it's not even funny. I woke up at 5 a.m., but I'm wired right now. Like, I'm not even joking you. I still have 2 left with me, and before that, I've already drank in 3. Is drank in a word? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? All right, so we've already obviously done our moisturizer underneath all this. I'm gonna go in with a eye cream just because my under eyes get super duper dry, or at least they have been lately. So I'm going in with this Belif moisturizing eye balm. Really, really nice lightweight gel product. And I feel like lightweight products are essential for getting this very like it's almost like a no makeup look because it's so subtle, but it's still a little something, you know? Then for primer, I'm going in with the Mercier Foundation Primer Hydrating. Boom, boom. And then do we want to zoom? Do we want to zoom? Look at that foundation primer hydrating. Wow, 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 wow. Anyways, yeah, okay, so that's what we're gonna be using. So I'm just taking that in the palms of my hands and then patting it into the skin. I like hydrating products. Obviously, you guys know this if you watch my videos regularly, but just because my skin has been so incredibly dry, like I don't know what's happening, I do like to add this extra bit of hydration, and this just acts as a great base between the like moisturizer that I've already used when I was cleaning my face this morning, and then what we're gonna be using as foundation. But it's not really foundation, but like, you know, the makeup base. And then me, you know how like DJs, they're always like, we got DJ Khaled on the lock. We got Nick Zoom. We got Nick on Zoom. Why am I so funny? I don't know. This is one of the world's greatest mysteries, you guys. I don't know how to explain it. I feel like Jim Carrey today, not gonna lie. All right, now we're going in with the base. So I'm using a tinted moisturizer today, which might be different for some of you because usually I'm more of like a full coverage, full glam kind of person. But surprisingly, when I'm not on camera or filming, I do like to do more lightweight coverage for like an everyday kind of look, just because it feels better and it's better for your skin to give it some room to breathe, even though I do love me some full coverage. But this is the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 20, and I'm using the shade 3W2 Sand. So what I like about it is that it's actually very lightweight and it provides even coverage throughout the day. So even when you are wearing it all day long, it's gonna last well and last all day long. So that's what I love, because some CC creams and some BB creams tend to get patchy through the day, and we don't really want that. Plus, this one does have SPF, so, you're getting some protection as well. And it's pretty buildable. If you do want a little bit more coverage than what you get with just one layer, you can build it up, and it's not gonna like get cakey because it's so lightweight. Look at that glow! Yes. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer from Mercier, and I'm gonna be using the shade 2C. I like it because they have different undertones, so they have like 2C, 2N, 2W, etc. for like warm, cool, and neutral. So I actually like to use the C ones because they have a salmon-y undertone. Let me like compare it to something like this so you could see the difference. So this is definitely more orange, as you can see. And for my skin tone, this kind of color works really well to cancel out that discoloration that I was talking about even more. So I'm just gonna press that in with my fingertips, and you can see right away it has a nice medium to full coverage, but look at this like luminosity that we're getting with the whole face. Really, really beautiful. But even though we have like all of these hydrating products, I find that this concealer doesn't crease throughout the day, which is like, it's honestly key when you're doing this type of look, because you're not gonna have a ton of like heavy full coverage powder all over your face. So you definitely wanna look for stuff that's not gonna crease and like just gonna wear well throughout the day. Also gonna take that through the middle of the face just to balance things out, but just a really, really light layer, not too much going on. And if you do have blemishes, obviously you don't want to use a super brightening or highlighting concealer for those spots because it's just gonna highlight those areas. So I'm gonna take a shade that's more similar to like what I used on my face, which is 3W, and I'm gonna place it on any little spots that I have that I just want to cover but not highlight, if that makes sense. And I love this brush for this step because it doesn't pick up any extra product. It's the Sigma 3D HD Precision. It just presses the formula into the skin. And you can see here, like, I still have these divots, but this is my magic trick, or like my secret tip to get rid of those, even with a more lighter coverage, like overall look. So you want to take your translucent powder. It's the iconic Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna actually take that on this brush, the Sigma Edge Kabuki F87, and press that into the skin really lightly. The powder itself is already lightweight and it's already gonna help your makeup set, but using it with this brush really gives you like a soft and silky application, and it almost like shears it out even more so that you're just getting the most seamless little bake under there. I'm gonna take that and press it into the skin right underneath the eyes. Do you see that? Like, it's not heavy at all, it's not chunky under there, it just creates like the most beautiful bake. It's great for a more everyday kind of look. But I honestly use this brush for glam looks too now, just because I like it so much. I'm gonna put a little bit up here. You don't want to look too shiny in the T-zone. All right, so next up, we're gonna go in with this Maybelline times Puma Color and Gloss Face Duo Stick. This is my first time trying it, but I've heard that's amazing. But I do think that just like in general for everyday looks, like anything that's easy to use is gonna be your best friend, you know? Ooh, I like that. It's just gonna add a little bit of color to the skin. Looks very natural too. We went to the event for this, and Adriana Lima was saying that she like is a big fan, so I was like, wow, I'm gonna be a big fan. I'm just kidding. And then the other side, so it's like dual-sided. The other side is a highlighter side. So I mean, I guess honestly we'll just try a little bit. Why not? Ooh, very natch. Got a little natch snatch going on, and I love it. Love a good natch snatch, you know? You Guys, how freaking pretty is this highlight? I really, really like it for this kind of look because it's so glossy but not glittery. Like I really, really like it. And it was very quick and easy to apply. I did start using it, start applying it straight from my fingertips and then pressing it on, and I found that that was when I was really like, wow, impressed. Love that. I'm gonna go in and wipe away any excess and kind of press it into the skin. I am gonna add on just a little bit more structure and warmth onto the cheekbones. Since we're not doing like a super harsh contour, I just like to add a little something something. So I'm gonna use this newer product from Mercier. So this is the Translucent Setting Powder Glow, but this is actually in the medium deep shade. So for my skin tone, I can use this more as like, almost like, what did he call it? I went to the event for this product, the launch event, and Makeup by Mari was there. He's amazing. And he was saying that it's almost like called non-touring. So it's really good for like an everyday look where you're kind of just trying to add a bit more definition, but it's not a harsh contour. Exactly what I just said, pretty much. So that is what we're going for. So I'm gonna take it right in here in the cap, press it into the skin. It's just gonna add a little bit more warmth. But it still goes with the glow that we're going, or the glow that we're getting. Okay, so I kind of want to show you guys on my arm just so you could see the subtle radiance that the product has. Like, it's very, very subtle and natural. Do you see that? Yeah, you can kind of see it there. See right there? Super subtle. So, that's why I'm saying we're gonna stick to the product that's gonna make us glow. And then I'm actually gonna just add a little bit of that onto the eyes as well, and you'll see the radiance here really nicely because there's a lot of light for it to bounce off of. But it's just like a nice natural bronzy shade. Curl the lashes. Curling your don't try to talk and curl your lashes because I just think I pulled that one. Anyways, curling your lashes does really help to just give you that very open-eyed look. And if you're not gonna be wearing falsies, like we're not gonna be today, I feel like it just completes the eyes. I also just like to add on a little bit, like a tiny, tiny bit of brown eyeshadow right to the outer corner. Like you saw, like literally 3 pats is all you need. And then we're gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna be using this guy also from the Maybelline Puma collection. So this is the smudge resistant mascara. And honestly, like I just feel like waterproof mascaras in general, or smudge, I don't know if this is waterproof, but hopefully it is. What I was trying to say is waterproof mascaras always do such a good job of holding a curl. So one that I would highly recommend, obviously I'm just trying this out for the first time, highly recommend the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof. It's so, so good for really getting a nice hold. But I'm gonna try this guy out because, you know, I wanna try some new products out. See what's going on the marketplace. For lips, I'm just gonna try puffing on a little bit of the Maybelline product, the blush side. I know it looks like kind of scary, but honestly, once you apply it, it blends out into a very natural color. Ooh. It's a little bit of a, you know, I don't know how to say it, like, I feel like it's like a K-beauty term. Honestly, tell me in the comment section. But like, when it's like just a soft flush of color. We got a soft flush of color. So honestly, a lot of dual use products in this little tutorial, which I love and is perfect for every day. And then the last thing we're gonna do is set everything down with a little bit of setting spray. Thank you again to Mercier for partnering up with me, and leave me some suggestions in the comment section of what you guys want to see next. So don't forget to subscribe, boom. Don't forget to like, boom. Comment below, like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wow, love that. I'm just in a crazy kind of mood. I have so much energy, I don't know what to do with it today. Like, seriously. It's crazy. Wait.